just terrible. This is
Okay, here's a quick video. Sometimes you may leak because that gasket around there go bad, and sometimes it leak from this thing not going all the way up to shut the water off. So here's how you can fix that real quick. You can twist this down at the bottom, or you can adjust it right here with the suggestion screw. Okay? Mine was normally up higher right here, and it started running, so I turned this adjusting screw counterclockwise like this to drop this down and for this to shut off quicker. That's all you would have to do before you need to replace it. Don't just replace it just because somebody in another video said that. Just adjust this screw, dropping this down, and then the water will shut off. Because when you adjust this down, this will turn off quicker down this way. What happened to fill out with less water, and then this will go to the shut off mode a lot quicker as well. That's all you have to do. All right, thanks for watching. Check in the comments and look in the video description for another video later.
what the hell?
Damn prairie dog burrow.
Little son of a bitches.
This is no magic trick. This is the real deal. Holyfield. And we close on that.